Hey everyone, Desiree here with Intuitive Gems, and today is day 6 of the 31 Days of Tarot Challenge put on by Ethany. If you are interested in learning more about the 31 Days of Tarot Challenge for 2019, I will link my playlist at the end of this video, and that way you can get all the information because I did post it in my day 1 video. So like I said, we are on to day number 6, and the prompt for today is to share a deck that we crossed off our wish list. Now, I think we're supposed to be talking about decks from 2018, but I actually just bought this today. And this was a deck, oops, sorry for the glare. This was a deck that I had been wanting for a while, and for whatever reason just never bought it. Well, today my son and I were in Barnes & Noble, and I saw it, and I said, you know what, I've been wanting this, I'm going to pick it up. So you can still see I still have it sealed, so I thought it would be fun to do, I guess, an unboxing here in this video. So let me go ahead and, I'm going to pause the video and take off the shrink wrap, and then we'll open it together. Okay, everyone, so as you can see by the box, that this is called the Illuminated Tarot. Now, this is not actually a tarot deck. I'm thinking it's more of an oracle deck, but it's probably based on the tarot. You can see here by the little flyer that's on the back some of the cards here, and it looks like this may actually be a game of some sort. So let's take a look and see what the cards look like inside. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay. So the way the box opens is that it comes sideways like this. I'm hoping that's going to focus. So far, what I'm seeing is very beautiful. So you do get a guidebook here. And, oh, how cute. Okay, so I am actually not familiar with how you're supposed to use these cards. But, of course, once I go through them and read the book, I'll have more information. But okay, what really drew me to this deck was the artwork. Okay, so that's the guidebook, and then these are the cards here. Wow, very, very beautiful and very unique. So it feels like the coating feels like a regular deck of playing cards, but they're obviously a little bit larger in size. Beautiful cards. So obviously some of the numbers on the cards would correspond to what like a deck of playing cards is. Very interesting. But I'm already loving the cards and loving the artwork. I tend to be drawn to decks that have very bright, vibrant colors. I'm not really attracted to what, excuse me, what would be considered like the dark decks. I really like a lot of color, and I find that when I have decks that are very colorful, vibrant, and bold, it tends to, for whatever reason, make my intuition stronger. So Again, this is called the Illuminated Tarot. And I'm wondering if this is something that is meant to be used like maybe in conjunction with a regular tarot deck, because I know a lot of us do use oracle decks and tarot decks together. But once I understand how you're supposed to use this and, you know, play around with it for a little bit, I'll definitely come back and do an updated video and let you know how I like it. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop those down in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.